Welcome to Zoomers RV. Today we have for sale a 2007 Forest River Charleston. This unit has 4 slides, full body paint, electric awning, electric door awning, 1-piece windshield. It's beautiful. There's no cracks, no chips. Has a front slide out PowerTech generator. Full basement storage with pull-out trays. The basement storage doors hinge sideways. Most of them do. A couple of the back ones hinge up. Aluminum wheels. This unit has a 400 horse diesel engine, 2 roof air units, in-motion satellite system, power roof vents, tow package with a rear ladder. The rear ladder extension is in one of the basement storage doors. Has a rock skirt, rear backup camera with side view on either side. Again, 4 slides. All slides have slide awnings. Full basement storage. 10-gallon hot water heater. Has an outside entertainment TV, flat screen TV in here. The unit pulls out and hinges. Has surround speakers back there with a DVD player and a CD player. Has Michelin tires, 275/80 R22.5s. They're in very nice shape, great tread, not weathered. We'll walk inside. Start the generator. The front leather seats are they're similar to the Ford King Ranch, leather and color and in texture. They're very beautiful. 6-way electric, 6-way power electric seats with the electric footrest. Same on the driver's side, minus the footrest. It's a Freightliner chassis. Generator has 79.2 hours. Just 11,500 miles. Has a nice CD player with a flip-up screen, power step cover, 6-speed Allison, equalizer auto leveling system, electric brake or the air brake, park brake there, electric heated mirrors. The cruise and windshield wipers and headlight controllers all on the steering wheel. Has a flat screen TV up top. Another thing here by the pull out little table there for the passenger. Has electric power shades all the way around. They all work great. Behind the passenger seat is one big super slide. Beautiful love seat. It's not worn or torn. It's in beautiful shape. This center island thing retracts, goes in and out. Has storage drawers in the front. Makes the kitchen just humongous. It's beautiful. Stainless GE profile convection microwave oven. 3-burner stove. Looks like new. Double sink with cover. Pull out faucet. Has beautiful mirrors, beautiful hard woodworking on the left side there. On the right side, behind the driver's seat, another big super slide, cabinets overhead, beautiful couch, pulls out into a bed, nice table and chairs. Air conditioner's blowing cold. Has 2 air conditioners, central air throughout the unit. Big double door refrigerator and freezer with ice maker. Spotless clean. On the left here, it's got the power inverter, monitor panel, and all your controls, slide out buttons, hot water heater, living room lights, water pump, duotherm, dual climate control front and back. Got the fantastic power fans in the hallway. On the right, beautiful Corian countertop sink, cabinet, medicine cabinet, dressing mirror, corner glass shower. Has a place to sit down, not too high of a step. On the left side, foot flush porcelain Dometic stool, another cabinet and sink there on the left. Washer dryer combo and extra washer or extra dryer, does both. Back in the master bedroom on the left, another big super slide, flat screen TV, overhead cabinets, dressing area, lots of drawers. On the right is a king size bed. It's a sleep number bed. You choose how firm or soft you want the bed. Beautiful woodworking along the slides. Big closet in the back. Comes with a huge case full of owner's manuals and all the service records. 2 extra chairs for that match the front dinette. Just so much storage, it's unbelievable. Central air unit in the back, central air in the front, padded ceiling panels, all beautiful. None of them are sagging or hanging. They look fantastic. It has carpet back here in the bedroom, nice and clean. Tile throughout the whole unit. There's one more shot from the front to the back. Thanks for looking.